headlines. Minister Karam Shyam slams MP R.K. Ranjan over misguiding masses over state issues. AMSU celebrates 54th Foundation Day, urges government to act on drug abuse and trafficking. And indefinite Moreh shutdown call cancelled. Hello and good evening. You're watching Tom English News. This is Loving Remind. Now let's have the news in details. Consumer Affairs AF and PD Minister Karam Shyam has blamed MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan for allegedly trying to misguide the masses over the state issues that had been discussed earlier in the Assembly. He was speaking to media at his Babupara office today. Minister Shyam further mentioned that the concerned MP has been ignoring the long-pending issues on influx of illegal migrants, border tension and others. He termed it as unfortunate that all the efforts and sacrifices of the BJP-led coalition government in the state have been proven futile. Political game leads to loss of public trust in the government, he added. The minister also underlined the need of every BJP leader to take serious note of the issues. Shyam also condemned the attempt by some individuals to tarnish the image of CAF and PD department.
CAF and PD department is like the Lyra Awana Gidamukta. The title Loan Naba, Mayangi Kudong Chava Fanganaba Labor Department Sibu. Narang Piki statement, profit and Adumda, Sendong Danbagi, Business Department, Oina Urga, Wangang Basi. The Wanjaning at the MP Tagdagi, MLG, Tag the Handarakpa Manba Mounda. Sarkarni, Sumsum, Sheng Sheng Toriba, Poaching Se, Manipuri Miam the Lan, Hunanaba Honabagi, Tongamas Satarpase. Manipur Prajagi Laibak Tibani. Aduna, government Prime Minister Maselgi Marakta misunderstanding Tolak Bakanda, Chumba Malay, Sikari Leragina Hangdana. At the Metia Tog, Heroes Abasinati, government Sida Manipurgi Prazana, Tazari say, Mangak the Nabaga Chobamuram Ama Oi Habesti, BJP losing Missing a Kangbi, Tangai for double lady Habese, Masi. Manipuri Praja Sinakari Kaligido was an analysis of Witangai for double lay. Yamna sensitive over leader winning.
On the other hand, talking to the reporters, Director of CAF and PD, Yumnam Ranjan clarified that wheat grain is transported to the state from outside only on special occasions since it is not commonly consumed by the local people. He informed that FCI Godown has distributed wheat grains to the masses through mobile market.
FCI na moigi stock the leizaba patkira pum gidaba dumba wheat khara khoida pirakhiba lei madu November 2018 ni madu khoina department na stockist ki through the singaga khoina mobile sale da dispose dum tawki aduga April 2019 da zo yamna pick pa quantity 189 MT si moina FCI na dispose tawki madu to all stock oina khoi dispose tawrakpani madu khoi normal NFS ki allocation natte aduga tha godingi phambam thokpa allocation adugi wang mada pirakhibani.
All Manipur Students Union AMSU, one of the oldest students' organizations in Manipur, today observed its 54th Foundation Day at Union Headquarters located inside DM University campus, Imphal. Union President Peter Lashram unfurled the AMSU flag on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Peter Lashram expressed concern over the increasing drug use in Manipur, adding that drug smugglers are freely roaming. He said the indigenous people are on the edge of extinction due to the drug menace. Peter appealed to the government to act on the issue.
Drug chingji hojik mapuga nanom sakhang daba drug chingji phara matung da thataruk chahi ma jela thamjala matung da thadok pi giba adum na chingba heavy amount da puramba high na chingba myam chingje life imprison natraga death kumba dugumba gi yaba adugumba ek myam shem na bai dang ta khoi government da taksan na bagi haiba adugi pandam duma khoi amsuna laujare.
Peter also said that the union will urge the concerned authority to formulate a firm policy for smooth operation of private schools and boarding for the coming 2020-21 academic session.
Lakadriba academic section 2020-21 dagidi hariba private schools sing amadi boarding sing the chanagadaba rules and regulation act mayam sing ado adugi policy yalaga 2020-21 session dagi chananaba adugo policy do emsunasu government da pressure piani.
To mark the occasion, an awareness cum voluntary blood donation camp was organized by AMSU in association with Department of Transfusion Medicine, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Lamphel and State Blood Cell National Health Mission, Manipur. Moray Civil Society has cancelled the proposed indefinite Moray Band, which was supposed to begin tomorrow after talks with Commanding Officer of 43 Assam Rifles, District Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police during a meeting. The meeting, which began at around 8 a.m. at the conference hall of Moray Police IB, continued till 9:50 a.m. today. Commanding Officer 43 Assam Rifle Colonel Sumit Sood, Tengnopal District DCH Rupachandra, SP-TH Vikramjit, Subdivisional Officer of Moray Dinesh Kumar, Additional SP Moray Robinson, Deputy Superintendent of Police Moray Commando and leaders of HTC, KSO, AMTA, KWU and HR attended the meet. Leaders of the civil society put up the matter concerning harassment and disturbances meted out to the innocent public by Assam Rifles at Moray border crossing gates. They also told the meeting that the security forces who are supposed to protect Moray public are harassing, disturbing and preventing the local populace from carrying out their daily chores at border check gates. Colonel Sumit Sood assured them that the local adjustment made by the district administration with regard to the certain requirements of Moray public and labor and trade associations will be taken care of by the Assam Rifles. The civil society leaders then agreed to cancel the proposed band while expressing gratitude to Tengnopal Deputy Commissioner, Superintendent of Police and Commanding Officer for their initiative to bring an amicable and viable solution. However, they warned that the agitation will be resumed and enforce indefinite Moray band if the Assam Rifles continues harassment and disturbances towards Moray public.
The 29th August is hereby called off, following a mutual agreement understanding made between the CEO of 43 Assam Rifles and the general public of Moray. We are grateful to everyone who took part in this initiative. The agreement is to be made broken by way of continuation of the past harassment, atrocities and hindrances upon the public. Then the agitators will be constrained to take up an indefinite band in the near future, seeing the situation and the condition of the agreement.
Directorate of Ayush Lamphel in association with State Ayush Society and Community Human Development Society conducted a public awareness program on Japanese encephalitis today at Maibakul village, Imphal East. Medical Officer of 10-bedded Ayush Hospital, Singjamai, Dr. Tripti Thaunaujam, Yoga and Nature Care Physician, Dr. A. Nandini, Pradhan of Nilakuti Gram Panchayat, T.H. Rakshini, and President cum Office Coordinator of Community Human Development Society, S. Tondang, were present as main guests during the program. Several locals of Maibakul also attended the camp. Dr. Tripti Thaunojam urged the masses to take Belladonna 200 tablets as precautionary measure against JE.
CCRH habiti Central Council for Research in Homeopathy na research tawraba matungda sise preventive oina different states kaina season na bayani haina phongak pa instruction gi matungina khoi yenjabani madugi matungina khoina dose piba kanda homeopathic globules da pibani globules adi pills ni sigi pills se chahitran ni thoigi makha gi angang ge gina 2 pills once a week habidi pills ani hapta amada amurak tang nungdang tumam daida chadoini sigi se laida thambiraga ngahak ummaga tumhanba dui matungda pungkhai matungda chaba thakpa loin yai siga kaino ma chan sin minaba thakjin minaba yade sigi hidak se hapta amda amurak tang chadoini si hapta mari charak pa kanda tha ama sudoini si matungda su epidemic se leire hai tardi hapta tha amaga mung cha thadoini.
Speaking on the sidelines of the program, Office Coordinator of Community Human Development Society S. Tondang mentioned that the program was held to spread awareness to the participants on the deadly Japanese encephalitis.
Akoi ungai salamadi laikai ga akoi tanaraga ayush department ga khushamnaraga hairaba thoromasi miyam da su wakhalon taminaba luna nalna thamnaba kangdagi ngakthoknaba adogi akoi gi maroina kanggi nabagi masi kamaina layengani aidi atotoba isada nariba hidak langtaksing asi akoi khungang oibanina akoi gyan taminabagi thormadu ngasi asi pangthokjabani haina aigi wafam thamjage.
Time for a short break, but coming up, life becomes very unfair for Naurem's Singajit. Even affording a square meal has become too hard. More after the break.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi no food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi daw kana bu leibu
Kangla
Manipur gi ahan ba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahan ba oina miyam gi damakta monsoon offer ama pijari ba offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamorol Gidamak contact Tobiu, Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959, Natraga 8794613154.
Salai Holdings Private Limited na Laibak Miyam da Kanganjaba. Salai Holdings Private Limited ki Honorable Chairman and Managing Director Dr. Narengbam Samarjit Singh Masa Hujik business trip ki damakta Salai gi overseas company sing yengchin ba galonena tongan ba pipeline da leiriba tongan ba country sing da tanatana India amadi maruoina Northeast ki oina Manipur yauna paket kadaba mega project sing adu gi damakta overseas bank singa stakeholder oiminabagi maruoiba meeting sing yauba amadi meeting sing conduct tawba satkibana maram oiraga tongan ba club CSO lanai gi furupki lining gi amadi culture ga mari lena ba khudimagna Salai gi lusing Purel Oibiribana Halaktri Faubutang, Hibining Ba, Tambining Makudimak, Ngaibinaba, Miam the Nolukchari, Nolukna Hajariba, Board of Directors, Salai Holdings Private Limited.
Welcome back after the break. 52-year-old Naurem Singajit of Naurem Mayai Lekai in Nambol constituency, Bishnupur district used to be a very helpful and cheerful man, but life has become very unfair to him and his family lately, as even affording a square meal has become too hard for them. We have an exclusive report on this.
Singhajit Naurem is the second child of N. Amar and Yaima B. Due to bad financial condition, Singhajit started to work as a truck driver on Imphal-bound Guwahati Highway. With time, he settled down and was blessed with a son and a daughter. Unfortunately, Singhajit's physical challenged son cannot work on his feet. On the fateful night of 17 March 2015, Singhajit was assaulted by some miscreants which left him almost dead inside his truck, which was parking at Sangai Pro Oil Pump in Imphal. Later, on getting the information, his family rushed him to Nambol Community Health Center to receive first aid and was later shifted to Caesar Hospital, Langol for better medical treatment. As a result of the physical assault, Singhajit is now partially disabled and can't even speak. It is learned that around rupees 7 lakh has been spent for his medical treatment. Adding to his plight, in 2017, his wife Chonjol suffered a BP stroke and passed away. Later, his son Krishna also died. Moreover, Singhajit's younger brother Jivan also met with an accident recently and yet to be recovered from the physical trauma. As such, their 46-year-old bachelor brother Ivomcha had to quit his job and return home to support the helpless family. He approached government offices and submitted necessary documents to get the disabled certificate for Singhajit, but so far, no help has been extended to the helpless family by the concerned department apart from free gas connection under the Pradhan Mantri Ujwala scheme. Talking to TOMTV, Ivomcha said that he has been trying everything he could to support the family. And Ivomcha appealed to the state government for support.
ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯥꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯝꯕꯣꯜ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯥꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯈꯥꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯁꯨ ꯈꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯩꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯩꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯪꯁꯊꯥꯟꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯈꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯅꯗꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ.
A neighbor of Singhajit by the name N. Ramsingh also called for government's attention towards the deprived family.
Yamba Sanghajit hoigi imung asi aikoi yamna mugang asida natai chadaba imung ama haibado oire lekai gi isinau singna aikoi angamba kharabadi mateng pangi adubu maipuna na pangbdi ngamde aduna hauji hauji aikoi Manipur da leriba Manipur lengak ki mari lenaba loisang sing amadi aikoi imung sibu nuksiba aikoi gi club organization aduga aikoi puksin chawbai sinau singna hariba imung asida angamba mateng katang pangagadi moigi awana si khardo oraga so mateng oigani.
An off-duty assistant sub-inspector of Manipur Police shot and injured a man in Churachandpur district's Kumujamba, a wine hub in Churachandpur last night. The ASI was reportedly attacked the civilian in an inebriated state. He reportedly assaulted him before attacking him with his service revolver. ASI Ningkhanpo is currently posted at Churachandpur police station. The injured belongs to ST Chulaufai village and is now undergoing medical treatment at Churachandpur district hospital. A team of Childline Taubal was reportedly assaulted by members of a family last afternoon in Kairem Nikok area. The incident happened when the team, on getting a call at the toll-free number 1098 regarding a child marriage issue, rushed to Kairem Bikok. Upon reaching the spot, the Childline team was allegedly physically assaulted by the groom's family, led by one Usham Rastam Singh, aged 25 years, son of U. Bisharup Singh of Kairem Bikok, Awang Lekai. This was informed during a press meet by members of Childline Thobal team, namely S. Ingocha Singh, E. Sobita Devi and M. Sunibala Devi. Women Action for Development WAD organized a one-day consultation cum sharing on crime against women and children in Manipur at Hotel Classic Imphal today. There was a testimony sharing of around 15 victims, families on different violent crimes against women and children during the session. Acting Chairperson of Manipur State Human Rights Commission, Khaidem Mani, Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. Binota Mainam and IGP of Manipur Police Thamting Ngasangvu were the presidium members of the program. Addressing the gathering, WAD Secretary Sobita Mangsatabam said the consultation program was organized to encourage and empower the victims and victims' families in the process of criminal justice delivery system. She further said the program sensitizes different stakeholders, public and the society as a whole, while attempting to understand the crime trend. Representatives of different social organizations, both from the hills and valley, also attended the program.
Justice delivery system se masaisda makoi singa sina achauba mateng ama oiribani.
Joint Action Committee Against the Death of Maibam Nanau staged a sit-in protest in front of SUN Club Monsangai today. Maibam Nanau, aged 35, from Monsangai, Mayai Lekai, was killed in a hit-and-run mishap near Herangoithong on August 23 at around 5:30 p.m. Taking part in the demonstration, convener of the JAC, Soraisham Pantoi, said that the road accident occurred when Nano was returning home from Wangoi after dropping her wife. He was rushed to Raj Medicity but later succumbed there on August 26. She urged the concerned authority to look into the matter. The deceased's wife lamented that the local MLA has allegedly failed to take any action regarding the fatal accident.
Masi phamjari badana phami ba bi mungchang ge mi oina akoi mani hai basim akoi chingnajare masi asum bala la jingje akoi memorandum sem da memorandum pijare DG da pijare kawa da pijare wangoi da pire akoi local MLA da pire karigumba ujiki kaino sigi matungina posuma temji gi matungina akoi gi masi na mina thomjal moi ta ga de akoi makhan makha kaya gi khongjen akoi asum basi puthokpina ba akoi makha ta na ngasi ga kangi na tana danana sikakdana makhan makha kaya ma koi khongjen jangjan kine.
Universal Friendship Organization UFO Kairanbi Sub-Center Taubal observed its 23rd Foundation Day at Yotningtho Ibudo Kaplangba Shanglen Taubal Wangmataba Mathak Lekai today. The observance was attended by MLA of Kangabok Constituency O Suraj Kumar, Vice Chairperson of Taubal Municipal Council AK Sanatomba, President of All Manipur Nupi Samaj Ramani Lema, and other important personalities as main guests. Another quick break, but do stay tuned. Mary Kom named Asia's best female athlete. More after the break.
Salai Holdings Private Limited की Smart Universal Academy बो अगस्त की तांग तरा निपाल दा Hotel Taj West and Bengaluru दा Blind Wing की इंडिया न सिन बा India Education Award 2019 ये तोपकी थोरम दा Best Digital School with CSR Initiative in Manipur 2019 हाइब अवार्ड अमदी तांग कुंगनी थोई दा दिल्ली की ताजमहल होटल दा Integrated Ichiverse न सिंधुना पांगतो खिबा 10th National Education and Business Summit 2019 दा स्कूल असी की President Dr. नारिंगम समरजित सिंह दा National Education Excellence Award 2019 पिरक पदा ngakoi लेतन नुंगाइब फोंदोक चरी.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom-adom gi leijariba sana da yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani. lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi hau adom gi sana adu sengi na traga sengde haibagi chingnaba adu kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gi damak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirao.
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Studio 11, India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup. Body massage. Studio 11, Salon and Spa Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Jongtham Lekai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440
Sheer dreams in her eyes. Dreams to fly. Dream to bring a smile. Thanks AHM for making our dreams come true. AHM, a complete air hostess training institute.
Welcome back. Six-time world champion Mary Kom has been honored with Asia's Best Female Athlete Award at Sunway Resort Hotel and Amp Spa in Malaysia yesterday. Eminent sports journalist Subodh Malabaru received the award on behalf of Mary Kom as she was not able to attend the function. The meeting, known as AIPS Asia Congress 2019, was held for 2 days from 26 August and concluded today. Mary Kom recently won the gold medal in the 51 kg category event of the 23rd President's Cup in Indonesia. She also won the gold medal at the 2nd India Open Boxing Championship in Guwahati. Mary created history by becoming the World Boxing Championship for the 6th time in November last year. South Korea footballer Son Heung-min was honored with Asia's Best Male Athlete Award of Asia at the function. The Best Man Team of Asia was awarded to the Qatar national football team, and the Best Women team was awarded to the Japanese women national team. Representatives from 30 countries took part in the AIPS Asia Congress 2019. The Agartala-Bangalore Humsafar Express would bypass Howrah from January 7, 2020 and will also have 2 new stoppages at Dankuni and Andu. The Bangalore Cantonment Agartala Humsafar Express is one of the Humsafar Expresses operated by the Indian Railways that runs on a weekly basis. It is a 3-tier, fully air-conditioned express train and connects Bangalore Cantonment and Agartala. It also features LED screen display to show information about stations, train speed, etc. and have an announcement system as well. The train also has vending machines for tea, coffee and milk and is fitted with bio-toilets in compartments. The train also has CCTVs for the safety of the passengers. The Supreme Court today decided to examine the legal challenge against the centre's decision to abrogate Article 370, which gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir, and referred the matter to a 5-judge constitution bench. According to reports, the apex court issued notices to the centre and Jammu and Kashmir administration on the batch of pleas challenging the presidential order by which Article 370 was abrogated. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan is considering a complete closure of airspace to India. A federal minister said amid growing tension between the two countries following New Delhi's decision and Kashmir's special status. Taliban militants killed at least 14 members of pro-government militia in Afghanistan today. According to reports, 14 members of the militia were killed and several civilians were wounded during clashes in the western province of Herat. The incident happened after a large number of Taliban fighters stormed security checkpoints in the Chahardara area. At least 9 others were wounded in the clashes, and the Taliban militants were pushed back after Afghan forces reinforced the area. Now let's go through some of the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Japanese encephalitis has claimed 5 lives this year, says Health Minister Jayant Kumar. Imphal sweats under 35.11 degrees Celsius. Wainu Chara, an indigenous rice breed, no negative impact of climate change. Center to identify illegal migrants in Nagaland. The People's Chronicle. MSURAP's government over unfurling of NSC and IM flag in state. Dissident ministers, MLAs take to CM replacement stand. MLA Meghachandra validates ST demand. UKLF Chairman Lunkoson declared absconder. Imphal Free Press. Monsoon session of 11 Manipur Legislative Assembly concludes. CM hosts post-assembly dinner. 30 out of 40 MLAs of ruling party present. The Morning Bell. 8th session of the 11th Assembly adjourned, cyanide. 3 financial committees elected. MP Ranjan clears air on a misunderstanding with Minister Karam Sham over PTS. Cookie bodies resolve on several issues concerning the cookies. Assistant Professor of Manipur University of Culture robbed at gunpoint, said and staged.
Before we end today's bulletin, the news headlines once again. Minister Karam Sham slams MP R.K. Ranjan over misguiding masses over state issues. AMSU celebrates 54th Foundation Day, urges government to act on drug abuse and trafficking. And indefinite Moray shutdown call cancelled. That's all for the news today. Thank you for watching.